All right, guys, well, that's gonna just do it for this video. I just wanted to show you kind of the finished product. I'm happy it's completed. So whether we're doing sculptures or whether we're doing something like this, I mean, a lot of it is the same techniques. I mean, you're welding, you're doing some grinding, but the thing about us being artists is we can see things that some other people can't see. Just as far as just putting this thing together and doing it solidly. And then I do have, you know, took some welding course and that kind of thing. So that kind of helps me to see where strength needs to be added to this thing. But I mean, you guys can see that just as well as I can, whether you took a welding course or not. But this is art as well. My name is on it, so it has to look good. But all right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. And I hope to see you on the next one. I'm not sure what I'll be doing, but as you know, I'll be doing something. And as usual, peace out.